Unboxing!
What's up guys, got another video here for you, and in this one, we're going to be looking at the NexStar CX Super Speed USB 3.0 2.5-inch hard drive enclosure made by Vantec. But before we can actually start off with the unboxing, I wanted to point out that this is, in fact, not sponsored by Vantec, but rather an unboxing video, and along the way, we're going to show you just how you can install a 2.5-inch mechanical or solid state drive into one of these. Now, I bought this off of Newegg.com as a subtle replacement for another Vantec product, the NexStar 6G hard drive enclosure, as the USB 3.0 connector on this one and another one just like it ceased to work. And yes, the link of this product will be in the description of this video, so if you want to get one yourself, feel free to check it out. So, let's have a look and see what is in the box. Right away, we've got the hard drive's enclosure made out of a lightweight aluminum, and these particular hard drive enclosures, I have quite a few of these in my array, and they are very sturdy, and they have not done me wrong in the time that I've had them. And just underneath that, we've got our standard issue USB 3.0 Y cable. Now these are USB A to USB A, unlike the standard USB 3.0 connector type, which I personally don't like at all, but this particular cable is not too bad. And just underneath that, we've got a small bag of screws. So I should point out that the hard drives enclosures do not come with screwdrivers, so you'll have to provide one in order to install a hard drive inside of the enclosure. So let's have a look, and I will show you how you can install your very own 2.5-inch internal hard drive into one of these hard drive enclosures. Now, as you can see right away, the screws are not on here as they are still inside of the bag. So what we're going to do is we are going to pry this open and slide it out. The enclosure has a metal sheet, and in the very bottom you'll see 4 areas for screws in order to fasten a 2.5-inch hard drive into the enclosure. So I am going to be taking this Toshiba 2.5-inch hard drive, and I'm going to simply slide it into the middle sheet, and I will be getting some screws out here from this little bag. Now that we've gotten the hard drive secured on the metal sheet, we are going to slide it into this hard drive enclosure. Now that the hard drive has been secured inside of the enclosure, we are going to be inserting the last of the screws. Now that your hard drive has been secured inside of the hard drive enclosure, it is ready for use. And I will say this, these hard drive enclosures feel quite weighty with a 2.5-inch mechanical hard drive inside of them. And they feel just right to me, at least to me, because they feel quite sturdy. So even if you do accidentally drop your hard drive while inside of this enclosure, chances are nothing won't happen to it, although I will recommend to not drop your external hard drives, folks. Your precious data is in them, and it will be a pain in the neck to get your data back if something bad happens to your hard drive. So with that being said, if you like this video, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click on that notifications bell to get all the latest updates. This is the Blind Bard saying, have a great day. This is the Blind Bard signing off.